Hello everybody, as you can see that right now in my hand there is a bird and it's so cute and so adorable. And honestly and literally since childhood I had a really deep affection for birds, and suddenly whenever I was going for making videos. Hello everybody, as you can see that right now in my hand there is a bird, and in local language we call it Bangla Paki, but it has also a English name. And however, since childhood I had a really deep affection for birds, and this is a morning, so I was going for making videos, I was going for walking, and all of a sudden I met with someone who is a small, who is a tiny boy and really curious about catching birds, hunting birds, who is right now out of my camera, and he feels so shyness, and that's why he do not want to come in front of the camera. So however, this is really beautiful, and maybe right now it's thinking I should fly in the sky, but unfortunately it cannot do it because it's not free. And I feel so excited for the time being. Thank you everyone. দেখ তোরা অনেক কষ্ট হয়েছি, তো এখন দেখতে পারো হাত মনে নেই, আল্লাহ এটা আমার হাতে একবার হামরা এমন রাখছো না।